Yeah, but
We already hit the first challenge,
trees are there.
so we're gonna run on the plane.
Time check, 12 minutes.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Saturday morning. The weather looks insanely nice this morning. There is a bit of fog around, so I might need to wait for that to lift. So whilst I'm waiting for that to lift, I'm going to fuel up the plane, just make sure everything is all good, do a pre-flight. Today's mission is to see how many runways I can land at in one morning or 1 hour. It's going to be action packed. Let's see how many we can hit. Let's get started. So we've already hit the first challenge. Challenge number one is the fog is coming closer. So we'll have to wait and see where we go with this. But anyway, that's challenge number one. Let's get rid of the fog. Which I don't think we'll be able to do, but anyway, we're gonna have to wait it out. So the fog's coming from that side, and we want to go there and down there. Okay, it's been around 40 minutes since I pulled the plane out. It's definitely cleared out. I can see infinitely to the east. So I think this is it. I think we're gonna hit it. I'm gonna use the running function for a stopwatch on my Garmin watch, and we'll see how we go. So let's get started, warmed up, and let's go flying.
Time check, we're 3 minutes in. I've done my check, so I think the first stop is going to be number one. It's going to be like 2 minutes away. So anyway, let's get the ball on the roll. Number one done, that wasn't too difficult. Let's head off to number two. See how the bush wheels can handle number two. Number two should be another 4 or 5 minute flight from here. Definitely not too far. Okay, so we are 10 minutes in and we're going to strip number two. If I can find it. It was around here somewhere. Super smooth, to be honest. Definitely nothing funky here. This strip is really nice. We can drive it on one wheel. Put a stick and rudder there. Okay, Alterna next. Traffic in the Alterna area. Come on, Yankee Bush baby. It's 2 miles out of Alterna and we're inbound for Alterna. Time check, 12 minutes. We're going for number 3. The challenge was this strip is not that it's a challenge, it's really nice and long. There's 3 runways in a T shape. You can sort of make it difficult for yourself because you can ride the bump over here. There's like a bit of a bump, so you'll see, like I'll try and approach it. If you get low, it sort of slopes up. Then on the other one, there's a sort of a fence right against the runway, so you can't short that at all. So you'll see, like if you get low, it gets a bit intimidating. You just need to sort of keep it out. That's what happens. But it's fine, like it's all good. See there, you can't really see it, so if you really want to, and there's a bit of a ditch there, so there we go. I mean, that was pretty short. See if we can back here with the tail up. Okay, I think let's hit the next one. Let's do River Run. Okay, so we're heading into River Run. We'll do River Run and then we're going to hit to Wintervogel, which is an uphill landing. So let's check what that's like. Yeah, but this is good stick and rudder skills flying through here. You need to stay coordinated. It's uphill landing. Like there's 2 runways here. It's a cross essentially. And the one is uphill, so 0, 8 and 2, 6. and it's uphill, so what we try and do is we try and land on the uphill. There's a bit of a challenge to do something different, which is always Dhaka. Dhaka means nice in Afrikaans. Okay, so as you can see, there's power lines here, there's a fence, and then there's the runway. So what we do is we try and land halfway like down the runway so that you get that uphill slope. Check the birds on the runway. I have also come in here a bit fast once, and that wasn't great either. Okay, the hooter does work for birds, I'll tell you that much. Okay, there you go. I'll do a time check when we stop at the top. Time check, 20 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, downhill takeoff, here we go. That was pretty short, geez, like. Okay, I'll see you at the next one. Okay, we're coming up on the next one. Time check is 28 minutes. There's 2 runways, maybe even 3 runways here. So we'll check how that goes. My watch is giving me splits. Pretty funny. I'm just going to do an approach here. Then touch down. First, maybe get out, run around the plane, and then carry on to the next one. Have a look what the wind is doing, because there is a wind stock. Very little wind today, but there is wind. Negligible, but I mean, it's a short trip. It's 200 odd meters long. Get some stop in, slow it down a bit. Run around the airplane. So time check 29 minutes. This is step number 5.
Okay, so we're gonna run around the plane just because we can. I've got a Garmin watch on and we're running according to my watch. We might as well make the best of it. Okay, I've done the run around the plane. Time check is 32 minutes, so let's go to the next one.
So what makes this strip challenging is there's a bit of a kink in it, halfway. And we've got a bit of a tailwind, so we'll just do a touch and go on this one. As you can see, there's the kink, so we need to just sort of keep it in. We've got a bit of a tailwind. Keep it in, keep it in. There's a bit off camber, but it's all good. Cool, there we go. Nice, done. Wait. Power. We're done there. That's our jump strip. Okay, to the next one. Time check 35 minutes. Okay, the next one is also like a hop, skip, and a jump from here. So the challenge with this one is there's trees at the end. Not that it's a big problem. I mean, it's way long, and we can see if the plane's up to it. But I mean, okay, there we go. That one's done. That was number 7. We can do maybe number 8. Let's push for it. Time check is 38 minutes. So funny, my watch is giving me lap time. Adrian's place. Okay, there's another spot over here. If it's still there, this is pretty soft. And it's sort of uphill. We're going to have a bit of a crosswind, so you have to keep wide awake on this one. And it's uphill. Soft, uphill. Keep the speed in check. Okay, look good, look good, look good, look good. Hey, they've actually cleaned it up a bit. There you go. Yeah, I think that's them. I think that was, I have lost count of how many we've done. I'll have to go and check on the video. That was number 8. Time check 41 minutes. Now the climb home starts. I'm hoping for number 9. Okay, so I'm coming up to Winelands Airfield, which is where I hang out now. I have 15 minutes extra. I'm going to do a couple of circuits here. See how many landings we can do in an hour. I could probably venture out, but I mean, I'm here at the airfield now, so I think I'll just hit a couple of circuits. Challenge with this field, we land on the gravel before the runway. And there's a row of trees, so you need to like dogleg it in. So we need to leave them that side of the field. And I'm still getting splits from my watch. So we'll probably be able to do 10 landings in an hour. I think it's pretty good going. And it's not in the circuit, these are all different fields that we've done. Okay, so we're going to do some touch and goes at the home field so we can make up an hour. Time check 48 minutes. So we have 10 minutes. Might be able to get 2 done, we'll do them tight. I think the challenge with this runway is when it's busy, it's really busy with all the students and the flying school there. Takeoff my Yankee is on a late left downwind 23 for the gravel, touch and go. Might be a bit fast, you just step it in a bit or something, we'll see. One of the nice things about this aircraft is you can be at your cruise speed almost over the threshold, and you can just put it up and down some flap and you're going slowly, like now. So here's that row of trees I spoke about. We're going to add some flap. Time check is 50 minutes. See, so that's what makes it a bit like a... These trees do make a bit of turbulence. Yeah, I'm 71 fast. Get some flap in, slow her down. Do some rudder. Fly her in there. Line her up. One is Takeoff and Landing here, 1 touch and go, make it a tight circuit for the next one full stop, 2-3 on the gravel. Keep this one tight as well, 53 minutes. I reckon we'll make it in time. Get that ball centered. So we're pretty tight. This is the nice thing about the bush, baby, we're pretty tight. Get a nice flow. Add flap in the last moment. There you go. See if we can stop before the runways. Look full with this one. See if the pilot's skills are good enough. Do we try and land in this Okay, our time check is 56 minutes, 38 seconds.
They stopped the clock here, stopping that at 59 minutes. That was pretty cool. So we hit 8 strips and we did 11 landings all within an hour, and we're back at the hangar. I did get a bit carried away with landings over here, but it's sort of just, yeah. Maybe what we should do is in the next video, we should see how many landings we can do in half an hour. And that's not different strips, that we keep it to the same runway. I'd like to know from you guys what you guys think of that. Can you beat that number? Hit it down in the comments below, it'd be really cool. Challenge you guys to do it. It's really fun. It's safe, keeps the skills up, and I think what makes this flying really fun is that we have about 400 hours of flying time, and we have like 1,200 landings. But it's fun, keeps you sort of like pumped. I'm pumped now. That was really cool and fun. I really enjoyed that. So if you guys have done something similar, let me know, and maybe I challenge you guys to sort of do the same. It's like Strava for bush planes, right? Please like the video, subscribe, hit some comments down below. I'd be interested to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.